Okay, fam, I'm back at CVS. Remember I told you I was gonna come back and do this deal right here. Spend $20, get $10 extra buck. So I wanted to do this deal before I bought her. The deal disappeared on Ibotta, so I'm gonna buy 2 of these Nivea for $9.99, and I got a 40% off one coupon, and they gave me an extra $1. So after my coupons come off, I should pay $11.98 out of pocket and get back the $10 extra buck, and then Ibotta would give me $3.50 back, so that'll be $1.52 money maker. So let's check. Okay, fam, I done made it home. I bought 2 of these, the Nivea Cocoa Butter Lotion, and here's my receipt. I had $1 off one purchase, the $3 off one ECB, 2% cash back, and they took the 40% off full price of one of $3.16. I paid $12.64 out of pocket, and I got back my $10 extra buck. Plus, I submitted to Ibotta for the $1.75 for each one, so I got back $3.50. So this was a money maker, fam. Money maker. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn your notification bell on so you'll know when I upload another video, and give me the thumbs up. Until the next video, fam, y'all have a blessed day. And get out and do some of these coupon and deal and save you some money and buy the stuff that you need for your house. Only what you need for your house now. Don't go overboard with it. Bye-bye, fam.